Hi, I'm here because of my awareness of accessibility. Recently, I shared an image on Twitter with several test-driven programming workflows, and I made a promise about it. Let's see. I checked the option Compose Image Descriptions on Twitter to be able to describe images, but in this case the image had a lot of information for a short description. And I only wrote comparison between test-driven programming workflows. Video with audio is coming, so I'm here. TDD by Kent Beck. It can be useful to commit each step if you want to undo changes easily. Then you can squash commits into a single commit. We start writing a test. Then we write just enough code to pass the test. We check the result of running test, and if read, we continue writing code to pass the test. If green, we commit changes. Then we review if the test code and production code can be simpler. If no, we start again with another test. If yes, we refactor the source code. Then we check the result of running test. If red, we continue refactoring the source code. If green, we commit changes and start again with another test. If you would like to force yourself to do small steps, try it with a constraint. For example, TCR, Test and Commit or Revert by Kent Beck. In the moment we check the result of running test, if red, we revert all the changes, test code and production code. And the same for the refactoring step. In the moment we check the result of running test, if red, we revert all the changes. Another constraint is taking baby steps by Adrian Bolboaca. In this case, we start a 2 minutes clock when writing the test. After 2 minutes, we check the result of test. If red, we revert all the changes, test code and production code. And the same for the refactoring step. After 2 minutes, we check the result of running test, and if red, we revert all the changes made in the refactoring step. So, thank you for your attention and have a happy global day of code retrieve tomorrow. Bye!